Hello, dear investors. The analytical community is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. A little further, we will look at each indicator in a little more detail. If necessary, you can put it on stop. We suggest that you take a closer look at each indicator of the company being studied. We will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the company with you. Centessa Pharmaceuticals plc ADR, ticker CNTA. This review was created using current information as of July 3, 2025. By classification Guru.Markets, company Centessa Pharmaceuticals belongs to the subcategory Pharma Neurology. 20 companies are participating in the assessment. We will look at the decisions made at the end of this video. Overall score for the company, minus 6.5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is minus 0.4 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the US market in general, we can see that the average result for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 6.5 points Centessa Pharmaceuticals. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price Centessa Pharmaceuticals and subcategory companies, we will see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Centessa Pharmaceuticals showed a change of 52.1%. 47.7% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company's Centessa Pharmaceuticals valued at $1.83 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $24 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.37 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $7 billion. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Centessa Pharmaceuticals plc ADR in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 7.566%. Book value capitalization is 5.048%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The financial liabilities of the organization under study amount to $0.116 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 31% of equity. Company debt rating, good, 1 point. The ratio of the company's market price to its earnings is 0, with an average for the subcategory of 0. Assessment of the market price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $223 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 122.3. Average for subcategory 4. Evaluation of the market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $10 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 1,482.7%, with an average for the subcategory of minus 17%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 1.38%, which is 448% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $23,832,000. And for the subcategory, $4,346,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is minus $2,901,300. Average for the subcategory, minus $184,900. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Toilet, minus 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee is $195,000. In the subcategory, $1,091,000. Evaluation of sales volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 5.3%, with an average for the subcategory of 12.2%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 59% for the company Centessa Pharmaceuticals. Whereas for the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately equal to 52%. The company's current share price is approximately $13.75. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $32.12. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions of the information system this season. Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities, Centessa Pharmaceuticals plc ADR Information System Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open sell order at $13.74 per share. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a rather low rating. The organization's assessment was made using the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 8.67. Stop loss is set at 18.81. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order closes automatically at the end of the trading session on August 2nd, 2025, or on the last trading day before that date. Ticker JAZZ will be the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on the channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, another order is closed at the actual price. Thank you very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system, Guru.Markets.